everyone, this is Victory from Camd Financial Exchange. So let us get into the video for the week starting November 18 to 22. That's what we are going to look at. And first off, we are going to start from this pair called USDJPY. So as you guys already know, start by using the horizontal ray to mark out the key levels on the daily time frame. So there is a key level here for me to mark out there. There's a key level for me to mark out from this level right over here. Yes, that's it. So since I'm on the daily, I'll switch this to the green line. So that is the level, a key level for me to watch. And then the next one I'm going to work with will be, sorry guys, next one I'm going to work with will be this level right over here, and that these are my levels right over here. So let me make this bigger now so that you guys will be able to see the charts. So this is it. These are the key levels, right? And where are we forecasting? So you see, as we can see, that this market is in an uptrend on the daily time frame. This market is in an uptrend here, and yes, it did hit a key level, and that's hence we're expecting at least here to act as resistance, and then here should act as my support. Yes, so and plus this little imbalance over here, I still expect this market to sweep it, and then market should peak from at least from here, somewhere around here, or from this level over here. So what is my take on this particular market for next week? Intraday, look for it next week. Intraday, I'm still bullish, and this is my take on the market. Bullish, long, to go long from around this level. Yes, TP above, SL should just be SL. Yep, just below this. Yep, that should be SL. And yeah, go long on this. This is my bias on this. Yeah, TP should be, yep, you can target here as TP, or even hold above here as TP. So whatever works well for you, that should be it for this particular markets next week. Now moving over to our next market, Gbpusd. This is it, guys. You guys were here when I made this analysis last week, and if you caught the sales, congratulations, you would have gotten out of this market around right over here with a lot of profits. Yes, so as you can see, guys, it's nice one. So we're done with this, so let me delete this because we are done with that. Now for next week, next week is quite interesting, because for we to understand what is going to happen next week, we will have to go to the higher time frame for me. So I will start from the higher time frame, and you already know, as we do this on the higher time frame, mark out the levels. And as I say, on the higher time frame, for me to mark out a level, I will use the black line to mark out a higher time frame where I want to watch. And then this should be it for this market right over here. So there is something to watch around here. This is something for me to watch around there. Then I go to the weekly to get something from the weekly. Yup, there is still a level for me to watch right over here on the weekly. And remember that on the weekly, when you on the weekly, there's something for me to watch right over here. There's a level over here for me to watch on the weekly. The color for the weekly is the purple, so the purple line is for the weekly. I need to set this right. This is my weekly zone, so you can see how important this level around 126,335 is. You can see how important that level is. There is a monthly and a weekly zone over here. So, and what to note about this particular zone, we have to zoom this market very well. You can see that market did close, as you can see clearly. I need to arrange this weekly very well. This is my weekly level, though there is also a weekly level over here, but let me place this since my monthly level is already touching that place. So I treat it not just as a line but as a zone. So as you can see, that market did not just close below this weekly level, it also closed above this monthly level, and this is where market closed, but this is where the shadow of the market got to. So it's an interesting level. So for this market, the forecast, I am still short on this market. I'm still bearish on this market. But the most important question is, will this place hold as resistance? Will this level hold as resistance? If this level should hold as resistance, then this is a good place to take shots from here to write it down from here. Now this is going to the daily time frame to find out more about that question. Yeah, we can see these levels now more clearly on the daily time frame. There is a level to watch out here for this market. There is a level to watch out right over here from where this market picked up from. Yep, and that is just it. And you can see, guys, that is exactly where market just closed. So it's a tricky one for Gbpusd because you guys can see the rejection. Let's count it. The rejection is about close to like 30 pips rejection right over from this daily level, and it just closed on the spot. So for next week, for Gbpusd, for Monday, for me, I will sit out Monday. I would love to see how market will react to this particular level over here as resistance and over here as resistance. I want to see if this two area is going to hold next week. If this two area around 26,400 to 335 to, let's say, if these areas fail to hold as resistance, then this is where I will want to be picking my trade from. That is the level that I want to pick my trade from. That is the level where I want to pick my sales from. That is it. So for this, like I said, I am still short on this market. I'm still short on this market. Short on this market, either from here. Yep. So either let me switch this to the higher time frame. Yep. Reduce this, and then this. We want to swing this to here. So I'm either I'm short either from here. I'll be looking for my opportunities intraday, either from this level or from this level over here. This is where I'll be looking for my short positions. Now, why will I be looking for my short position? Because on your higher time frame, look at it. On your higher time frame, which is a weekly time frame, this particular is a weekly zone. Now, market left this last week, left this weekly zone, close below this weekly zone, and also below this weekly zone. So it shows you how strong. I look at it, a full bearish momentum candle on a weekly zone, and it's closing below this weekly zone over here. So let's say that because market is still closed at support, we still have support right through here. All this area is, if I should take a line straight, is still support over there. So let's say that market open next week and it tries on Monday, it just goes above this new resistance. Now at least comes to this daily place. Once it holds, then this market should push back to the next weekly zone, which is right around here. So this is the next weekly zone right over here, and that is where my take profit is, to hold this to the next weekly zone, and in extension even to this level over here. And for this market next week, if this particular level still fails to hold, that is this daily zone right over here, fail to hold, then I'll definitely take my shots from here. So 127,600, 126,964, these are all levels to look for shorts from. I doubt that this particular area is going to hold, but in case it does hold, I will wait for a retest from here and I'll short it. But these are the levels I'll be looking for on this market. I am short on this market. I'm still short on this market because the trend says so. Now moving over to the next market, that is Euro USD. This is an interesting market. As you can see, guys, we did hit our take profit last week on this market. Yes, after the analysis on the daily time frame, got the entry, and it was just a nice one. It was just a nice one. Hit the take profit. By Thursday morning, we were out of this market with our take profit. So which way for this market now? Euro USD for me is a pair that I don't want to miss at all. I don't want to miss this pair at all, because this market has something very, very sweet to offer. As you can see from the charts overall, you can see the direction of this market. Yes, you can see that for almost a year plus, this market has just been playing a range. This is what it has been playing for more than a year. For more than a year. And it started, look at, there was an impulsive move down, and then it came back up, and since then it's just been playing chuk. And you guys can see where this thing is happening. That over here it reversed on the monthly, and from here it picked up, and where is market currently at? That same level once again. So all this area, that is why I use this rectangle to highlight it. So all this area right over here is going to be resistance for this market, in at least for next week to come. So we watch for now. The question to ask yourself, because I'm still bearish on this market and I have my reasons for being bearish on this market, but the question is, do you want to be selling from an established support? This is a monthly time frame and this is clear support. Do you want to be selling from here? I don't think it's advisable. So we watch this market for now. So far I will not be looking to sell this market from here, like when market open on Monday, I'll be looking to immediately sell this market from here. The wise thing to do for this market is to wait for market to get back to resistance, and then from resistance you short the break support, and then yeah. So if this market should break this support from here, from the monthly time frame, is there any support that you're seeing anymore from here? I don't think so. Because let us just go horizontal ray, horizontal ray, horizontal ray. We get our horizontal ray. This will be the next key zone on the monthly. Change it to the black. This is our next key zone, and then the next key zone, horizontal ray again, horizontal ray. This was it around this area. Yes, around this area. This is it, and you can see that last week closed below it. And when you get a close below this, is telling you something. It's telling you something. We can either get a fake out from that place, from this level right over here. We can get a fake out right over here. So, or we can get a continuation. So all this area is going to be resistance for euro, but one thing is for sure, for this monthly level around here, market has closed below it. So this market picked up from after hitting support around this level. Yep, that's where it picked up from. So I'll just highlight it so that we know that you can do that on your own chart. You can pick these levels from your own chart, so that when market comes back to that level, you will know. So this is for the weekly. Don't forget, guys, don't forget. And then the next one to do is to go to the daily. Remember, we're working with the most recent zones on the daily. So like I said, we already know that all this area right around here, all this area is going to be support from the monthly time frame. So do you want to be selling from here? No, it will be ill-advised. So the best thing to do is to look for the next close resistance to sell from. Sorry, let me get my chart in order again. Yep, I think, yep. So this is the daily time frame, and from the daily time frame, where is the nearest key place? There is a zone to watch out for early shorts for Euro USD. There's a level right over here. It's not recent, but it's still a zone to watch out for sales. Yep. So on the daily, there is a zone right over here to watch out for sales. This is the first place to pick a sell entry, and then the second place to pick a sell entry. There is something around here. Yeah, there's also a level right over here. So all these levels are levels that we can pick our sell opportunity from for Euro USD. So you can either pick it yourselves from, wait for the market to get back to this level and you pick your sells, and then or wait for market to get to this level or this level to pick your sells. Now just shorten it from here, because right over here to here is still going to be resistance, is going to be support, and look at it. If you can look at it, the market is bouncing from a weekly zone. This is a weekly zone. It bounced off from on Thursday, and it's bouncing off on Friday. Try to get above this weekly zone, but still close below. So right now market is just in a range, in a range. So there's a weekly zone here for you to pick your sell, there's a daily zone for you to pick your sell, there's also a daily zone for you to pick your sells next week. But what is this market doing? It's in an established downtrend, so you sell. But currently, just know that this area around 1.5 thousand is an established support. That is just what is sure. So let's see whether 600 will be the place to sell from, or 06172 will be the place to sell from. But look for shorts, and when you're looking for shorts, you might want to hold this. If you're looking for shorts from, let's say here, you want to hold this trade, because why? If this market breaks this monthly this resistance right over here next week, nothing is stopping this market until it drops. So this is a swing trade to this, with this possible outcome, and it's crazy. It's crazy money. It's crazy money for anybody who will pack this. It's crazy money for who is back this, so that you don't say you were not informed. So this should be the overall target for this market. And if I check the weekly, if market should break that level, there is no much resistance for me apart from this level over here. If it breaks it again, but even from this particular level up here to here, is still it's a decent profit to be made. So is it? So if you catch yourselves from up right there, you might really want to hold it. You might really want to hold it, but make sure that you're not selling low. Make sure you're selling high. So you might want to watch and see what Monday will do. You might want to watch and see what Monday will do. Then you can sell high. Trying to adjust the sell high either this daily zone. Either from this daily zone, either from this daily zone, or from this daily zone right over here. So that is it. And this daily zone is about 50% retracement of this weekly candle. Yep. So this is a good place to sell from next week. So that is it for Euro USD, guys. Now on gold market, this is it. On the daily time frame, is the story has been clear that gold is on an uptrend, but it has been giving us this, and it gave us this here, and then this over up here. But now, what did the story decided to change for gold? The story on the daily changed when gold gave us this with US election, that is breaking out from this low and then giving us something like a little high over here, and gold losing this key area over here. And right now gold is within here. So definitely we now know that this market is no longer trending on the daily time frame. It's no longer trading upward. There is a change in character for those who trade ICT or whatever it is called, SMC or what. So there is a change in market structure. So the most important thing on the daily, it has taken out this particular level right over here. So the next thing, it has given us a new low, because this definitely is a level. So there is a possible, with this daily candle closing as a pin bar, we can maybe see a push to test this particular level over here, and then form a high over there, and then we now expect the drop down. So let me just mark it out again, because that is still a daily level. That's a daily level for gold, sorry, horizontal ray for gold. So this is it, working with this one. This is it for gold. So that is the level I'm watching to take my shots from. Looking to take my shots from gold around that level. That is where I look to take my short positions from gold, from right over here. Yep, SL should be just above here. That's my SL. And then where should my take profit be on gold? Yep, I can choose from there to take my take profit right at this level. This can be my TP1. Yep, or I can choose to take my take profit at over here. This should be my TP2. Yep, so this is it for gold forecast, those who love trading gold. So that is where I'll be looking to short gold. And then finally the XY. So finally on the XY, this is it. And on the monthly time frame, you can still notice something that is similar to that of Euro USD. You can see that this market has been up. Then you can see that for almost a year now, this market has done this on a range. Look at where it's picking up from, and this is where it is supplied here. But it's also interestingly, what is interesting is where last week closed, that it closed above this supply zone and just close just around this zone. So it's still clearly that it hits here, it hits these highs over there, and there right now is resistance. Even here we act so the XY currently on the higher time frame is at resistance, and that's why I expect a little pushback from GBP USD on Monday and Euro USD on Monday, at least push it back to resistance. So this is it on the monthly time frame for the XY. If this should clear this level, as you can see, just like I was talking on Euro USD, this should be the take profits. You see how it rhymes with the take profit of Euro USD? Yes, so that is it. This is the XY. It's good to understand the focus of it. So let's move to the higher time frame, and this is also tradable. It's not just used to measure the time frame, the strength of USD. Is something that you can also trade as a marketer on its own. So you can see clearly that level that I was talking, that it's close above convincingly, but it's reacting to these highs over here and right over here. All this level on the monthly time frame is resistance, but in the coming weeks to come, let's say market comes back to this same level and it picks up from here and clears these highs, then there is no stopping this market. On the weekly, like I told you guys, there's something like this also on Euro USD that I talked about. Is going to give us that, and then from there we can expect to see the market overall around this place, but definitely it is going to clear out this imbalance over here, and that is that should be that for the market. Even if we should go to the daily time frame to see, you can see that the story is very clear on the daily time frame what the market is doing. Because on the daily time frame, not only did it take out this, but already did it take out these levels, it closed convincingly above it. Now what is the market just reacting to? The market is just reacting to this particular highs over here. So right through here is just resistance for it. So it has clearly hit resistance right over here. So we wait to see whether this level right here will act as support, or is this level that will act as support for the XY. And if market should pick up from here or pick up from here, then we get the push continuation to the upside. So that is it for the markets for November 18 to 22. So if you like my content, please hit the like button, hit the notification bell, so that you will get more of my content. And if you have a question, drop it on the comment section. If there's another market you like me to watch or talk about, drop it on the comment section, and I'm going to make an analysis and drop it within the week. Thank you for watching. See you guys next week Saturday, and please make barbecue out of the market.